Hi trainees, welcome to Draughtsman Week 7. We will study about clay products, tiles, mortar and concrete, plain cement concrete, clay product tiles. Introduction. Ceramic means the technology and the art of making objects with clay and similar materials by treating with fire. Clay products, refractories and glass come under this. Clay for ceramic. Special ceramic products requires its own type of special clay, even though ordinary earthenwares can be made from many types of ordinary clay. Classification of tiles. Common clay tiles for floor, common clay roof tiles, vitrified tiles, glazed tiles for floors and walls, clay tiles for ceiling, clay tiles for terraces, country roof tiles. Common clay roof tiles. There are many types of clay roof tiles. They are mostly used for covering sloped roof, Bangalore pattern roofing tiles, half-rounded country tiles, that are Spanish tiles, Alabar tiles, those are Italian tiles. Acidic refractory materials. Name, fire or clay. Properties, its important constituents are alumina silica. Users, it is used for manufacture of fabrics, silica, crucibles, lining material for furnaces, hollow tiles, etc. Quartzite. It is a metamorphic stone. It is hard, brittle, crystalline, and compact. Its melting point varies from 16500 Celsius to 17200 Celsius. Users. It is used as lining material for electric furnace. Name silica. It is available in the form of sand with some impurities from riverbed. It melts at 17300 Celsius. It is used for preparing silica bricks, coke, oven and lining for glass furnace. Basic refractory materials. Name Dolomite Properties. It is carbonate of lime and magnesium. Its melting point varies from 23000 Celsius to 26000 Celsius. Users. It is used for making refractory bricks. Magnesia. It is available in crystalline form. It melts at 28000 Celsius. It is used for preparing magnesia bricks. Mortar and concrete. Introduction. For construction of buildings nowadays we mostly use cement mortar and cement plasters. Definition. A paste formed by addition of water to a mixture composed of an aggregate such as sand and a matrix of binding material like lime or cement is called mortar. Ingredients of mortar: binding or cementing material, fine aggregates, water. Function of mortar: it binds together stone or bricks properly. In a concrete, it holds coarse aggregate together. In stone, masonry, and brick masonry, it fills up empty joints. A thin liquid mortar used for such purposes is termed as grout. It provides a durable weather-resisting layer between different cores of masonry in the structure. It forms a homogeneous mass of structure so that it may resist all the loads coming over it and transfer the same uniformly to its foundation. It does pointing or plastering to the structure. Properties of mortar. It may prepare by hand mixing or machine mixing. When a small quantity of mortar required, hand mixing method is adopted. When large quantity of mortar is required, continuously at a fast rate, it is prepared by mixing of ingredients in mechanical mixtures. In order to test the quantity of mortar, the following tests usually conducted. Adhesiveness to building units test, crushing strength test, tensile strength test, setting time test. Selection of mortars from different engineering works, nature of mortar and mortar type and composition, thick joints in stone masonry, hydraulic time and sand mortar, stone masonry in foundation and superstructure of ordinary buildings, 1:2 fat lime surki mortar or 1 part lime or 1 part surki and 1 part sand, brickwork in arcs, plastering inside of wall, mortar 1:2 or lime, surki and sand 1:1:1, mortar 1:5 to 1:6, cement mortar or lime surki, reinforced brickwork 1:3 cement mortar, mass concrete in foundation, paving tiles, cavity walls, plastering of ceiling and external plastering work, etc., where good finish is required. 1:4 cement sand mortar or 1:2 to 3 hydraulic lime mortar. Massive work below ground level, especially in waterlogged areas. 1:3 cement sand mortar or 1:3 lime sand mortar. Massive works, dams, retaining walls, damp proofing, flooring, etc., where very high finish is required. 1:3 cement sand mortar. Selection of mortars for different engineering works. Nature of work, mortar type and composition. Pointing work 1:1 to 1:2 cement sand mortar. General RCC work such as slabs, beams, and column cement, concrete, flooring, etc. 1:2 cement sand mortar. Damp proof cores and cement concrete roads 1:2 cement sand mortar. RCC tank and other retaining structures, etc. 1:1.5 cement sand mortar. Highly stressed numbers of structure 1:1 cement sand mortar. Laying fire bricks. Fire resisting mortar consisting a pot of luminous cement to 2 parts of finely crushed of fire bricks. Kinds of binding material: lime mortar, surki mortar, cement mortar, gypsum mortar, gauge mortar, lime mortar. Plain cement concrete. Introduction. Cement concrete is a major building material used in modern building constructions. It is prepared at site by hand mixing or machine mixing. It is now available as a factory made product known as ready mixing concrete. Definition: concrete is a mixture obtained by mixing a binder, cement or lime, aggregate, fine and coarse, and water in certain proportions. Proportion concrete. The process of selection of relative proportions of cement, sand, coarse aggregate, and water so as to obtain a concrete of desired quality is known as proportioning concrete. There are different methods of proportioning concrete: arbitrary method, fineness modules method, minimum void method, maximum density method, water cement ratio method. You can also see a table of grade and proportion of the proportion concrete. Advantage of concrete: high compressive strength, corrosive and weathering effect minimized, economical, durable, fire resistant, very little maintenance, molded to any shape, can be sprayed and filled in cracks, strong compression. When reinforcement is added, it is good in compression and tension also. Ingredients of concrete are mixed by following method: hand mixing and machine mixing. And you can also see the water cement ratio. Machine mixing. Mixing the ingredient by a machine ensures a better and more uniform concrete. Ensure thorough mixing. Cement consumption less than hand mixing. Hand mixing. Ingredients are measured and mixed in dry state, mixed on a watertight platform so as not to avoid loss of water. Water is then added in correct concrete quantity and wet mixing is done. Mixing thoroughly till the concrete becomes uniform in color and consistency. It is preferred to add about 8 to 10% extra cement considering lesser efficiency of hand mixing. This was end of Drauhtsman week 7. Thank you.